Right guys, guess what I've just had delivered to the house? I've just got a roast dinner, but guess how much it cost? This roast dinner with 2 puddings cost me £40. But the question is it worth it? So what I did is, I got one adult dinner for £16 with all 3 meats, and then I also added every single extra you could do. And then I also got 2 separate puddings. So here it is, and it's also from a place called the Hardwick Arms Takeaway in Sedgefield. Right, I'm excited for this. Let me just tell you how this weighs an absolute ton. Right, not leaking, it's very hot. It's not leaking, that's a bonus. So, I'm gonna guess that is my roast dinner. So that's my £16 roast dinner there. Let's check this out. You ready for this? I'm excited for this. £16 for a roast dinner, is it worth it? I think it's well worth it. No dishes afterwards, no messing around with pots and pans. Here we go. Oh wow, that's looked good. Now that is how a roast dinner should be delivered. No gravy on it, no drown in it. Looks absolutely gorgeous. So we've got some parsnips, some carrots, we've got some broccoli, we've got some cabbage, mashed potato, we've got 1 Yorkie, we've got meats, so we've got turkey, beef, and ham in there, and then we're going to check out the rest of it. Okay, really gutted. I only got 1 Yorkshire pudding. Bit disappointed in that. I probably should have ordered more. Parsnips, I'm not a massive fan of them, but you get absolutely loads of them. They are really big, fat parsnips. We've got some lovely carrots there. So we get some carrots in there. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get 3 portions out. 2 adults, 1 child portion. Roasties. This is how many roasties we got on the £16. Is that enough roasties for 16 quid? Let me know in the comments, guys. I think it's amazing, this, by the way. You know, people up and down the country pay different prices in different places. We've got some cauliflower going on there. We've got the meats now. Let's go check the meats out. Right, so we've got 2 big, massive, thick pieces. I think it's turkey. It's turkey or pork. I think one's turkey, sorry. Turkey, pork. Oh, wow. Look at the size of that for a piece of beef. Oh my God. Wow, that's a big slab of beef, that. Then we've got our mashed potato. Just gonna get onto that one there. And we'll try these out on different plates. Right, so there is basically a £16 dinner. £16 dinner, we've split that into 2. Now we're gonna go check out the extras. Right, we got extra gravy. I love the way the gravies come in a separate pot. So normally you only get a little pot, but I asked for extra gravy, so it's bigger. No, it didn't. I actually got 2 extra gravies. Wow, where's the extra veg? Where is the extra veg and the extra cauliflower cheese and things? Right, there's the cauliflower cheese. Now I did, hang on a minute. On my order, I asked for extra parsnips, extra roast, extra stuff. I asked for extra stuff for 40 quid. So basically this cost 40 quid, this. I don't really think that's much extra stuff. But that is cauliflower. Oh, that looks amazing. That cauliflower cheese looks absolutely amazing. I'll start placing a little one as well here now. I'm gonna have to try and swindle this food around. So we're gonna have a little bit of meat on there, a parsnip on that one, a little bit of veg, a carrot, and a couple of roasties. There's not many roasties. Them roasties are absolutely tiny. And there you go, guys. There it is. That is £40 worth of dinner. But we've also got 2 puddings. Check out the puddings. Let's see. Now that is nice. That looks really nice. Really, really nice. So we've got a sticky toffee pudding, and we also got a chocolate cake as well. So guys, let me know in the comments, do you think this was all worth £40? And it's there, the Hardwick Arms Takeaway in Sedgefield. Is it worth it? Let me know.